1833, it was legal to work a 5-year-old for 12 hours a day, and no one went to jail. Here's why it happened. The Industrial Revolution didn't just introduce machines, it destroyed balance. Factories paid adults so little that one wage could no longer feed a family, so families were cornered. If the father worked alone, they starved. If the children worked too, they survived. That decision wasn't emotional, it was economic. Factory owners didn't want strong workers. Strong workers demanded pay. They wanted small bodies, cheap bodies, replaceable bodies. Children fit perfectly. Their hands were small enough to reach moving parts. Adults couldn't. Their bodies were light enough to crawl under machines that never stopped. And if they were injured, there was always another child. In textile mills, children worked while machines were running at full speed. Stopping the machine meant losing money. So, fingers were sacrificed instead. In coal mines, boys sat in darkness for 12 hours, sorting coal with bare hands, no gloves, because pain slowed production. In chimneys, children were pushed into narrow shafts adults couldn't fit into. If they were too slow, fires were lit beneath them to force them upward. This wasn't hidden. It wasn't illegal. It was organized. The system didn't see children as people. It saw them as biological tools. If a child collapsed, that meant they had reached their limit, not that the work was wrong. If a child died, it was considered an acceptable loss, cheaper than fixing a machine. And the most brutal part, society defended it. When early factory laws were proposed, owners argued against them, saying the economy would collapse without child labor. They didn't ask if children should work. They asked how many children they could afford to lose, not because of chaos, but because cruelty had paperwork and it was profitable. If this made you uncomfortable, good. That means it worked. History doesn't repeat itself. It upgrades. So if you don't want systems like this quietly returning under new names, stay aware, stay angry, and subscribe.